How are you doing today? I hope you know how wonderful you are. If you're new here, I am Teresa. Thank you for joining me. If you are coming back, thanks for coming back. Today is our fifth and final in our Getting Out of a Creative block, and we're gonna collage. So I have a few of these type of books, and I buy them at Michael's when they're on sale, or you can get them at Hobby Lobby when they're on sale, wherever your preference is. And I just kind of collage. Like, this one isn't the greatest, but it works, you know. And if I really like the collage and want to put it up, I don't put anything on the back. So it's a fun way to get creative juices flowing, and really doesn't matter. So if you like what you see, please give this a thumbs up and think of subscribing, and let's get crafting. So today you're going to need a piece of paper of some sort. You can just use cardstock if you wanted to. You don't have to have a book. I have my book. I have some old distress paint. I have a palette over here to use. I have some stamps. I have other stamps right here. What you're not also seeing is I have a bunch of stickers and washi tape all at my hands in my organizing little genre thing. So what I like to start with, and we are going to work right onto this page, is I'm going to dump this and get some paint on here. So these are old. They don't really, I mean, they're really old, so they don't work the greatest. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on there. I have paintbrushes that I'm going to use if I can find them. That is the key, right? Oh, they're there. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have me a paintbrush, and I am just gonna, this is more than what I need. And I am just going to randomly paint on this. One of the things I love about doing this is it just doesn't have to be perfect. Like, I am not that perfect crafter, you know? And I love the fact that this doesn't have to be. And the more layers you add, the more it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we're gonna set that aside. We're gonna let this dry, and while this dries, I'm going to look at some big pieces. These are all Tim Holtz, and see what I want, if I want any of it. I don't know. Let's look at some washi. Okay, that's a pretty fun one. That doesn't really look like the color scheme I am going for. Not that I ever care about color scheme. I really don't. I kind of like that one too. Okay, so we're gonna go with those two. And do we want, let's pick out a couple butterflies. So in this one, I have some fun butterflies. Oh, look, that would be fun. Let's use that one. Oh, that big one would be fun. Some of these dragonfly ones would be really fun in the Alice journal. I should put some aside. Here, I'll do those. Okay, now this has a bunch of smaller sticker, like flower stickers. So I'm wondering if any of these would work. Okay, we're gonna put those up there because I definitely, as of right now, want to use those. Oh, that's the same. I kind of like that. Maybe. I don't see any of these others that I would like. Okay, I will be right back. I have stuff elsewhere that would probably work really good too. Okay, so I have some of this, which is again more Tim Holtz stuff, which maybe beautiful wild flowers. That might be fun. And then I have some of this, which is just random. This would be really cute, funny, but I don't know if I want to use it on this collage. Then I have a bunch of like chipboard pieces. Oh, these might be fun. Okay, I think we have enough to play with. So the next step I'm going to take is, I don't need that. I don't think we're going to use those. I'm going to take, let's use there's archival black. And I'm just going to add some just decal on here, you know, just random stamps. No rhyme or reason of where they are, what they are. I want something little up there. There we go. Okay. I like that. Now, I think we're going to take some of this washi. I think I'm going to use this instead of this. And the thing to this is it doesn't have to match. It doesn't have to be the greatest. It doesn't have to be anything. The key to it is just to have fun, get those creative juices flowing. And honestly, if you do one you don't like, just chuck it. No one's gonna know. It's not gonna matter. Oh yeah, I like that one. Might need to. Okay. So we are going to rip part of this. And I think we're going to put some right here. It's a little longer than the, but that's okay. And we're going to flip this around and put this bigger part up over here. I'm just going to trim this just a little because it is a tad bigger than what I need. Okay, now this is where I call auditioning. This is how I do collages. There's so many different ways to do collages. I ashen my pieces. Like, I really like that. And I would need to add some flowery stuff to it. But I also really love these butterflies. Then we could put a little word right there or a little word right there. We could do that. And then these are all word stamps that I like. The best is yet to come. Maybe. Every adventure is worthwhile. Oh, this is totally me. Stop overthinking. Oh my gosh, that is so me. I think we're going to do the adventure. I'm going to stamp this on another piece of paper and then fussy cut it out. So let's see. I know I have to have paper somewhere. Looks good. Okay. So I like that, but I don't know if I love it. So let's do this and switch it out. For this one, maybe, and sometimes I will take a photo, look at it, redo it, all that fun stuff. I kind of like that better. Okay, so we're going to go with this one. So I'm going to put this down. It was a little smaller. Let's see. I'm going to put these stickers on while I debate about that. Okay, here we go. So I hope this series has inspired you to get out of your creative block. There is a playlist of all of them, and I will have all of them linked down below for you. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.